AVO commanding takeoff in 3, 2, 1, now.
What we just saw was the MQ-25 take first flight. This has been an enormous accomplishment, but it is more than that. It is a partnership with the Navy.
It was awesome. I mean, I think I was just saying, I'm still shaking because this is incredible. You know, you think of, this does not happen very often. And especially when I think of, you know, there's so many different thoughts going through my head right now. Everything from how incredible these two teams are to make this happen. And every motion from what we've accomplished to what this is going to do, even on a level of national security. Just in the capabilities that it delivers for the carrier strike group, of being able to free up Super Hornets for being able to do their primary mission, to get them out of the tanking mission and use MQ-25 for that vital mission.